If you are looking for how to apply edge glow effect in CapCut PC, then don't skip this video. So first you need to select the video clip and click this plus icon to drag the video to the timeline. And after that, on the right side, click on the video and click on the remove BG and click on this auto removal, and you can little increase a feather and then go to the mask section, click on the add mask and pick the circle and move the cursor to the little ahead on the video and increase the mask and increase the mark size, and also this arrow to apply some feather effects on the clip. So once you're happy with the size of the circles, and then head to the effect section and type edge glow and click on that. Enter it and you will see that some multiple edge glowing effects in the CapCut. So this is the first I want to apply on it. So click on this and apply on the timeline, and here you can see that the effects apply on the video clips, and here on the right side you can increase the glow effect. So I would recommend to keep it 35%. And now, so let's play it how it looks. And here you can see that the edge glow effect has been applied to your the video clip. So this is much better. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.